Hey my lovely creatures, see you all, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new here, this is your girl RosesGlam. So on today's video, we are going to do unboxing. I don't want to waste time talking about it, but you all will see what I am going to unbox, okay? So I decided to do this video now because the kids, they won't allow me to do this in the daytime. So this is exactly 12:32 midnight, right? So I'm going to quickly do so that I'll go and sleep. Tomorrow being Monday is going to be very tight. So without so much talk, let's hop into it. Let's go ahead and unbox this. Okay, I'm not going to tell you what is inside this box, rather you will use your eyes to see. I'm going to unbox it and try as much as possible to fix it so that tomorrow it will be out of my side. It will be one wahala out of me. Okay, so I'll go ahead to open it and we will assemble it together. So ignore this. So first of all, this is the manual. I'm going to use it to assemble it. It's actually a console. So you will see it after. So you're going to see it after I finish assembling it. I bought it from Wayfair. Wayfair has been so good to me. I'm not trying to advertise it. Most of you who lives in UK will understand. I know some people, they buy things from there, they still complain that it's not good, but honestly, it's only one thing I have bought there that I've returned, which is carpet under the dining. What I saw on the website is not working, so I need to return it, and they refunded me my money. After that, I bought them there. So this, I need to put them separate so that it will be easy. To be honest with you, most of these things, I buy them, I fix them myself. DIY. The kids are sleeping. I hope the noise will not wake them up. Okay. It's here. So this is these are the screws that comes with it, I'm sure, because it's always like this. So as you can see, so first of all, I'm going to take the manual. Let's go ahead and see how it is. Okay, so this here is telling us what is inside, how many of them, and how to use it. Okay, so this, anyway, they label all of them, which makes it easier. And the wood, they simplify it. Each of them have number, and from the next page you will see how you're going to assemble it. Okay. So guys, like I said earlier on, the manual shows you how to fix it. The pieces of the wood are labeled alphabetically, and the screws are the same thing. So all I need to do is to follow the instruction on how to put them up together. So this is what I'm going to do. So watch me. Let's fix this together and we will see the outcome if I get it wrong or right. Okay. So I fixed all the screws on them. I'm going to go outside to get a screwdriver to tighten them down. So it says we should take number 1. We are going to look for number 1. This is number 1. So we get it. We will go ahead to fill up this.
Let go, never let me explain myself. And now I'm leaving behind.
So So guys, this is what I'm going to be doing until I get all the components sorted out. I have to fix all the screws, making sure that everything is in order, follows the procedure, the step by step, so that I will not miss anything. Because if you miss something, you're going to ruin it. And when the wood, because some of the wood are not strong, they are all pressed wood, and you have to be very gentle when you are doing them. So as we are doing it, let's see the outcome of it and see if I will eventually get it sorted. Okay, so what do you guys think as we are proceeding? Just let me know at the comment section.
Well, I know we are about to clash, but don't you worry, cause we still got a chance. Baby, don't lose your faith. Don't lose your faith. And everything that I said, spinning round in my head, spinning round in my head, spinning round in my head. Now I'm leaving behind all the things I had in my mind. I'm changing my ways, I'm floating away. I'm floating away. What you see now? You're getting too close. Didn't know what to say, I was taking the train.
So guys, we have come to the end of this video. What do you think? Leave your comment at the comment section. I would love to read it. As you can see, I followed the step one by one. It took me 2 hours exactly. That was what it took me to complete it. So tomorrow I am going to fix it where it's supposed to be. I will show you. So this is it. I'm done. Let me know your opinion at the comment section. And if you've not subscribed to our channel, please, I beg of you, consider hitting on that subscription button right down there. Subscribe and don't forget to turn on your notification bell to notify you whenever I post a new video. Don't mind me, I'm not talking so much. I don't want my voice to wake them upstairs. So this is it. Like this video, please share it to any of your loved ones or any of your social media. I will really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, RosesGlam loves you all.
Well, I know we are about to clash, but don't you worry, cause we still got a chance. Baby, don't lose your faith.